नमस्ते। विश यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी दिवाली। आप सबको दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। वेल, दिवाली इज अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स, जॉय एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी. Diwali is a 5-day festival that is celebrated by millions of Hindus, Sikhs, Jains across the globe. It symbolizes the spiritual victory of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. Diwali is also celebrated to have our new beginnings and to welcome the prosperity. Well, we all have our own different reasons for celebrating Diwali. What is your reason? Do you just want to celebrate it and follow the traditions because your ancestors did? I'm sure, certainly not. People believe that Ma Lakshmi arrives at their house only if it is clean. And this is the only reason why they really clean their houses just before Diwali. They clean their floors, get rid of old books, old cushions, old clothes, old mattresses. In fact, they get rid of all the discarded items that they have at their home, especially just before Diwali. Some even repaint their complete house. But they never thought about cleaning themselves, their mind, bodies and souls. Ma Lakshmi may not arrive necessarily at your house, but she will always stay in the pure house. Remember this. Have you ever thought about this way? Even if your house is not clean, try your best to have a clean mind and heart. Because when it comes to God, the judgment is taken by heart. No matter how much your house is clean, Ma Lakshmi will enter a house only if your heart is pure, if your mind is pure. Ma Lakshmi will not enter the house of a person who is with an impure heart and a polluted mind. People donate old things around Diwali. They hoard things and keep them for donation on a specific day. Do you think it's good? Isn't it selfish? You should donate things and help people whenever they need it. That is selfless service and the real puja to the divinity. This Diwali, free your mind from all bad and evil thoughts. Replace them with laughter and happiness, and make sure it's not only for yourself. Keep your friends, family and people around you as happy as possible, and make sure that they have a good dose of laughter every day. Contribute to it. Maybe the environment isn't the best, but it will be only if you started by cleaning your own mind. With a clean mind, you can think better and focus on more than yourself alone. You will definitely flourish. Trust me. You can give people a gift of happiness for their entire lives. But that's a gift you can give only if you have it yourself. It is high time we awaken ourselves. Let us redefine Diwali as Dilwali, Deepavali as Deep Avali. Let us do the deep cleansing of our mind, body and soul first. Ma Lakshmi will definitely be very happy. So, the first thing to do is clean your body, which is your permanent house. So, what you should do for this? Let us take a few resolutions. Eat healthy food, greens, vegetables, If possible, please avoid non-veg. Detox your body. Drink water frequently. Exercise your body with the ancient practice of yoga. Yoga is the only medicine that can clean your body completely. The first thing to do is clean your mind, which is the master of your body. Start thinking positive. See good in everything and everyone. Remember, watch only happy and inspiring movies or TV shows and not depressing, aggressive or sad ones. Patch up a broken friendship or relationship. Pick up your phone right away and call someone you haven't spoken to for a long time. Bless everyone, including your enemies too. Say to yourself every day, I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind or my body or mind. I'll try to help others who are suffering. The third thing you should do is clean your soul, the internal guard of your mind and body. Because see, soul is everything. If we are at a pure heart, pure soul, then victory is done. So thank the divinity for every small thing that you are blessed with. Follow spiritual practices. Practice meditation every day. Stop getting angry and do not spoil the environment, because anger spoils everything. Then leave greediness. Spread love around. Start looking good in everything. And what you have to understand is, please make daily resolutions. See, why I'm saying daily resolutions? Because normally what happens, New Year comes and we say, this is my New Year resolution. But how many of us really do that? Raat gayi, baat gayi. So what you should do is, make it for one day. Just test yourself. Are you able to do it for one day alone? Try for one day. Sometimes we are not even able to keep that resolutions for half an hour. So that is the reason I'm telling that please take a challenge to yourself. Do it for one day, just one day. You may be able to do it or you will fail. You may succeed or may not. Try it another day, third day, fourth day. One day you will definitely succeed. That is the reason I'm telling you to make daily resolution. One, the first resolution you should make it that I will not get angry only for today. Succeeded. Second, I will not worry about anything for only today. Try to see whether you are able to do it or not. Third, I will not cry whole day only for today, no matter what. Fourth, I will not use a bad word for today alone. Finally, I will be kind to everyone for today alone. See, it's not like that you will be kind only for today. All I'm saying is that just control your mind, train your brain. Take a resolution for one day. Try to get success in that resolution. If you are able to do that, you can conquer the world. So, you could make people day 100 times better just by giving them a simple smile, by gifting things that are really very close to their heart. Not necessary that you gift them very costly items, then only they'll be happy. No. Try to make them happy by smiling, by talking in a very polite manner. Right? So, come on, this Diwali, let us promise ourselves to purify our mind, body and soul wholeheartedly. Happy Diwali, stay healthy, stay safe.